Welcome to our channel. Today we are making a classic South Indian dish, Avial. The base of the curry is coconut with some chilies, curry leaves and coconut oil. We use a mix of hard vegetables like yam, drumstick or moringa, potatoes, raw banana and soft vegetables like ash gourd, pumpkin. The mix of vegetables varies from family to family. We have boiled them in the pressure cooker. I have used a combination of raw banana, yam, drumstick, carrots, beans, ash gourd. Grind around half to 1 cup of coconut chunks with a couple of green chilies and a little bit of water. Add this coconut mixture to the boiled vegetables. Add salt and a few curry leaves. Add 1 or 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Stir and combine it well. You can serve it with some rice. It is one of the items prepared for the Onam Sadhya. Happy Onam! Thank you for watching Savarchi Bavarchi. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon.